Eggs are a highly nutritious food and can have several positive impacts on health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Here are some of the potential benefits of including eggs in your diet. Nutrient-rich. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids needed by the body. Eggs also contain vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline, as well as minerals like iron and selenium. Weight management. Eggs are a filling and satisfying food due to their high protein content. Including eggs in your meals can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake, which may contribute to weight management. Heart health. Contrary to previous beliefs, it is now understood that the dietary cholesterol in eggs has only a modest impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Eggs are low in saturated fat and rich in unsaturated fats, which are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Additionally, eggs contain nutrients like folate and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Eye health. Eggs are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are important for eye health. These nutrients have been associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Brain function. Choline, a nutrient found in eggs, is essential for brain development and function. It plays a role in memory, learning, and mood regulation. Consuming eggs regularly can contribute to adequate choline intake, supporting optimal brain health. Nutrient absorption. Eggs contain small amounts of fat, which can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Including eggs in your meals can help optimize the absorption of these important nutrients. It's important to note that individual dietary needs and health conditions may vary, and it's always advisable to consider personal preferences and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice. Additionally, moderation is key, as with any food. While eggs can be a healthy and nutritious part of a balanced diet, it's important to consider the overall variety and balance of your meals to ensure a well-rounded nutrient intake. The appropriate number of eggs to eat per day can vary depending on individual factors such as age, overall health, and dietary preferences. However, general dietary guidelines suggest that consuming up to 7 eggs per week is considered safe for most people. It's important to note that this recommendation includes all sources of eggs, including eggs used in cooking, baking, or as ingredients in other foods. If you're consuming other sources of cholesterol in your diet, such as fatty meats or full-fat dairy products, it's important to consider those sources as well. If you have specific health conditions, such as diabetes or high cholesterol, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can provide guidance on the appropriate number of eggs to include in your diet based on your individual needs and health goals. I hope you find this video useful and you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.